Have you ever spent 5 minutes looking for a pencil that was right in front of you the whole time? Or maybe your desk looks organized for exactly 3 minutes before pens, markers, and pencils take over again? What if you could create amazing pencil holders and pencil boxes using things you already have at home? Today, we're transforming ordinary materials into creative desk organizers that are practical, stylish, and surprisingly easy to make. And make sure you stay until the end because the final design looks like something you'd actually buy from a store. Let's get started. Pencil holders may seem like a small thing, but think about it. A cluttered desk makes it harder to focus. When your pens, pencils, rulers, and markers all have a dedicated place, everything feels cleaner and more productive. The best part? You don't need expensive organizers. Many amazing DIY pencil holders can be made from cardboard tubes, jars, boxes, and other everyday items that usually end up in the trash. So not only are these projects budget-friendly, they're also environmentally friendly. Now, let's turn simple materials into something amazing. DIY idea number 1, cardboard tube pencil holder. For this project, you'll need empty toilet paper rolls, cardboard, glue, colored paper or paint. Start by cutting a circular base from cardboard. Next, glue several cardboard tubes vertically onto the base. Now comes the fun part. Wrap each tube in colorful paper or paint them in different colors. You can even label sections for pens, pencils, markers, and scissors. Within minutes, you've created a multi-compartment organizer that looks neat and keeps everything easy to find. Simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective. DIY idea number 2, mason jar pencil holder. If you have an old glass jar sitting around, don't throw it away. It can become a stylish pencil holder in almost no time. Clean the jar thoroughly, stickers or twine. You can customize it to match your room, study area, or favorite colors. The transparent design also makes it easy to see exactly what you're looking for. It's one of the easiest DIY projects on this list, but the final result looks elegant and professional. DIY idea number 3, cardboard pencil box. Now let's make something even more useful, a DIY pencil box. Take a sturdy cardboard box and trim it to your desired size. Create a lid using another piece of cardboard. Cover everything with decorative paper, fabric, or paint. Want to make it extra special? Add compartments inside for erasers, sharpeners, sticky notes, and rulers. The result is a personalized storage box that's perfect for school, work, or creative projects. And unlike store-bought options, this one is completely customized to your needs. Quick question. Which design would you actually use on your desk? The colorful tube organizer, the elegant jar holder, or the custom pencil box? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to see which one is your favorite. DIY idea number 4, tin can pencil holder. Here's a project that turns something ordinary into something surprisingly beautiful. Take an empty tin can. Make sure the edges are safe and smooth. Then wrap the can with fabric, rope, decorative paper, or paint. You can create a modern minimalist look or something bright and colorful. Because tin cans are sturdy, they're perfect for holding larger items like scissors, rulers, and markers. What used to be trash now becomes a useful desk accessory. DIY idea number 5, rotating desk organizer. Ready for something a little more advanced? Create a rotating organizer using cardboard and a small spinning base. Arrange multiple compartments around the center. Decorate each section differently. Now you can rotate the organizer to instantly access whatever you need. It looks creative, it saves space, and it makes your desk feel much more organized. This is one of those projects people can't believe was made at home.